So I've put the drone into spotlight mode, and I'm just going to circle around to give you a full view all the way around that you may not have been able to see as I was walking around it. So it looks as if it might have been some kind of a tower, and it looks like there's been a moat round about it as well. Right, so that's a full circle round about it almost, not quite yet, but almost. What I'll do now is I'll fly over directly over the top of it and look down and give it a bird's eye view directly from above. And I'll go up a wee bit as well. Right, so here we go, flying over the top of it. So there it is from above. And now I'm only up at 87 metres at the moment, and that's the town of Cumnock just there, and then Auchinleck over there. So Dumfries House should be off over, that's Auchinleck there I believe. So Dumfries House is just over here. And I might need to go up a wee bit higher. We're at 87 metres, so just have to be a bit careful here that I don't go too high. Obviously 120 metres is my limit, and that's me, I've just reached it now. So even at that height, I don't think. There's the egger plant. What I can do here is, I can use the zoom in feature. That's the ×7 zoom on this DJI Mavic 3. There's the baronet A-frame. And there's the egger plant. I can zoom in even further using the digital zoom, which takes it to 28 times zoom. So this drone is a fantastic drone. That's another thing I wanted to talk about regarding the upcoming changes. A lot of people have been buying the Mini 5 Pro recently. I think that's a mistake, to be honest with you. Rather than the Mini 5 Pro, you could have got yourself an Air 3S or even a second-hand DJI Mavic 3 for probably less money than it would have cost you to get the Mini 5 Pro. And they're just far better drones, there's just no doubt about it. Right, so I'm having a wee look to see if I can see Dumfries House. That's Ochiltree, the wee village of Ochiltree. So Dumfries House is just in there, so we can't see it. It's actually ensconced in that wooded area. I can't quite see it, even up at 119 metres. If I switch back to the normal non-zoom, you can see how far away Dumfries House is, and then there's the main road that splits the Dumfries House grounds in two. But this is actually part of Dumfries House. So there we go. A final look at this ruin here that is still, to me, unknown. I will endeavour to find out a bit more about it. If I can, I'll try to find out more. But so far, I have not been successful in finding out much, if anything, about this strange ruin here, midway between Cumnock and Auchinleck. Hard to keep everything lined up when you're in zoom mode. So there we go, another quite unusual feature in the south of Scotland, not known about by almost anyone. And even though I've been here and had a good look around it, I'm none the wiser. If there's anyone watching this who might have a bit of knowledge about what this might have been, please leave a comment letting me know what it is, because I'm very curious. And as I said, I am going to endeavour to find out a bit more through librarians, libraries, going to Dumfries House and asking them themselves if they know anything about it, and hopefully that'll uncover a bit more. And for those who are interested, I'll do an update if I have any more information. But meantime, if you know anything about it at all, or if you do want to do a wee bit of digging and researching and find out some stuff, I would really appreciate that too. I'd find it interesting. So anyway, thanks for watching all the way to the end if you did. And if you didn't, get it round you. If you did, thanks very much and cheerio the new.